Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. First Rock Real Estate Investments says it has plans for further regional expansion. In a notice to the Jamaica Stock Exchange, the company says through its subsidiary First Rock Latam 1 SRL, a deal has been signed for the acquisition of 2 pieces of land in San Jose, Costa Rica. The company says the lands will be used for the construction of 2 new KFC restaurants. The properties will be leased to Intelectiva Costa Rica, the operators of KFC Costa Rica, for 20 years. The cost of acquisition and development was not disclosed. The Jamaican dollar gained a cent against the U.S. currency by the close of trading on Monday. It's costing an average $156.11 for $1 US. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.54. $195.70 is the average value for the pound, while the euro is going for $173.57. Tyrone Wilson, former CEO of education and multimedia firm iCreate, says he is healed and ready to recommit to the company. He said that his resignation in August was not forced. His health was compromised. Wilson was re-elected to iCreate's board last Friday. He is also expecting to return as the company's CEO. In a statement posted on social media platform X, Mr. Wilson says after being voted in by a majority of shareholders at the company's annual general meeting on Friday, he is elated to return as CEO, pending the final decision of a board majority to reinstate him. He founded the company in 2018. Mr. Wilson added that there are a number of unclear and unclarified issues surrounding his resignation, to which updates will be provided. All this comes after iCreate was suspended after failing to submit its audited financials and the non-appointment of a mentor as required by junior market rules. At the close of trading on Monday, the company's share price increased by almost 9%, selling at 76 cents per stock unit. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 210 points today, while the junior market increased by 22 points. Among the 45 winners, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Jetcon, Key Insurance Company, and Caribbean Flavor and Fragrances. The 39 losers include Stanley Motor, Caribbean Cream, Palace Amusement, Pulse Investments, and Dolphin Cove. 21 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they opened trading on Monday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.